Come on, video. Tornado warning!
This is a test of the Forest Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This is a test, no action is needed. If there were to be an actual emergency, important instructions would have followed the attention tone. All of the forest's products are real and are relayed from the National Weather Service site and IEM bot. All of our activations can be found on EAS Arkansas or the Forest IEM bot Discord server. Again, this is only a test. There is no actual emergency and no other action is needed. This is the Forest. Music 24/7.